So I want to speak about YouTube, and I know that when you're introverts and you want to start a YouTube channel, you might face several challenges, and I'll be transparent with you. One of the challenges is that your friends might not support you. You might think that your friends will help you, will support you, will watch your videos, but eventually they're not. They are not. But if you have your best friend that watching your videos, try to ask yourself whether this video is actually for them or for a different kind of audience. When you want to develop your personal brand on YouTube, when you want to think of it like a business instead of like a hobbies, what's the purpose of you doing a channel instead? Instead of just looking for visibility of attention of people like your friends, your family members, just think about who you want to talk to and whether your friend is part of a group. And if they are not, don't tell them. Make it a secret. Just don't tell them. Because if you're telling them and they watch your videos, YouTube will then try to promote your other videos to them. And if you make it 30 videos in a row, like me, then your friend will have so much problem to watch all your videos, and eventually they'll just watch another maybe 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and then click off. This will eventually hurt your algorithms. I know that because you have watched all the YouTube gurus videos that how to actually attain your FD, how to get a click, so the high CTR that you need in order for you to gain the trust from YouTube. So you need to learn about these things. When you're making a videos, especially when you're introverts, who are your target audience? And if you feel that your friends is not your target audience, don't tell them, because it will give you pressure, unnecessary pressure that you will have. And this unnecessary pressure, if you open the door, you will just open to another door and another door and another door. Then you will become burnout. Because of what? Because of the pressure that you have from your friends. Maybe your friend will think that you just want to become somebody that you're not. But eventually, what you want to become really is the person that they can admire, the person that you can trust. And that's what matters, isn't it? Don't tell your friends. Make new friends on YouTube. Because I learned this. Whenever I just have a friend that asks me what I'm doing in my life, and I tell them, I help people to overcome their shyness in talking to the cameras and just speak like a boss, to develop their own personal brand, to become so magnetic that people will just listen to whatever the things that they say. I don't tell my friend that I am a YouTuber, I am an influencer, I am an entrepreneur based on social media. No! I don't tell them like that, because I don't want to have the perceptions that I have a YouTube channel. One of the things that I'm afraid to tell my friends. But the other thing is that when they learn that I have a YouTube channel, that is the time where they are actually my target audience. And that's what matters. And because if they watch my videos without me, I've been telling them about my videos and what is my channel name, what's the title of my videos, then actually YouTube are promoting my videos to them, and they are my target audience. But if they're watching my videos because I'm telling them just to support, just to have the 4,000 watch hour when you're just first starting out, this will actually kill your business later on. When you develop your personal brand on YouTube, you need to have the intentions. You need to treat YouTube like a business. You are the CEO of the companies. You are the CEO of the channel. And the decision that you make might impact your channel later on. It can have a visibility trust, or it can just die off. And nobody's watching your videos. Attention matters nowadays, but don't make stupid things like, there's a lot of things that people can just make, like dancing. Because when you think about business, you need to approach it in a more proactive way. If you like to dance, then dance with intentions. Example, like you want to build a personal brand to become so magnetic in a way that you can tell people about how dancing can help you to release your stress. Then that's the way that you can do it. You can dance in your video. But if you just want to share your emotions, telling stories, that's one way. And most people will say that they didn't know how to start. This is the reality, man. Even though you have decided to make a YouTube channel for it and you have crafted all the banners, logos, but actually when it's time for you to record, you don't know how to record. You have buy all those gears, those fancy gears, the lighting, the setup, but you don't know how to record. What I mean by that is that you know how to press the button, the red button over there. You know how to press that, but you do not know how to talk. You do not know how to script your videos. And eventually I found out that in order for you to build a magnetic personal brand, especially when you're introverts, you don't need a script. You don't need a script. Because of what? Because if you have a script, you will not train your brain. Because when you do a videos, you need to be in your flow state. But when you have a script, you are unnecessarily remove that flow state. And that flow state actually will help you to connect with your audience, will help you to be relatable to your audience, to your customers, to your potential employers that you might dream of. But if you're reading for a script and people can tell that you're reading for teleprompter, you will not feel authentic. You will not feel original. You will not feel simple. And it might surprise you that I actually click off from all those videos, because when I watch the videos and I saw them actually reading for teleprompter, because they hate I keep staring at the lens and just reading and just reading and just reading. They don't have emotions. They feel like I'm watching robots. If I want to watch all those kind of content, I just watch an AI content. I can get it when I search on YouTube. But when I want to watch the people, that means that I want to be connect as human to humans. And if you are having a business later on, trust beat price every time. When people trust you, people will pay you based on their perspective, what they think of your price will be. Even if you charge $1,000 for a course, if they think that the cost is just around $500, they will not buy it. But if they think that the cost will be so much valuable to them, they'll just buy it, because that's what personal brand is. And when you're first starting out, don't tell people about your channel. Don't focus on the analytics so much, because the analytics will not be so accurate at this point of time. And this is the harsh truth that I will tell you: make more than 100 videos. I know 100 videos, really? But that's true, because when you make 100 videos, you tend to improve your life, you tend to improve the way you're speaking, you tend to improve the way that you come and show up in front of cameras. You become more self-confident. You trust yourself more in delivering those information to your target audience. You tend to be a different kind of person, because you have to do a lot of reps. From the first video that you've done up until the 100 videos, can you just imagine how much progress that you made? It's so much. Trust me. If you just have this mindset that in order for you to be successful on personal branding on YouTube, you need to take care of yourself. You need to portray yourself. You need to forge a new identity. And this new identity can be immersed in the way that you're talking to the cameras. And this will help you, because there's not a lot of people. You're just talking to a camera that is not living things. That should help you to overcome your fears. And when you feel so much confidence, you can use that identity to speak to other people as well. Trust me.